Hello guys, welcome back. Marketplaces like Etsy offer the opportunity to sell their products to buyers all over the world with just a few clicks. Owning a successful Etsy shop may not sound all that lucrative, but if it is well done, it can actually replace your day job. Etsy's marketplace is full of opportunity for all types of creatives. From apparel to digital files, you can just sell about anything on Etsy. Just be sure it has some personality. You know, a bit more charm than anything you may find at your local shops. But stop. Before, there are some important steps you should take to ensure your venture is successful. Start by identifying your target audience and their needs. Knowing who you want to sell and what they're looking for will help. Then, know who your competition is. Taking a look at your competitors' shops can give you a lot of useful information. For example, if you are selling art, look for art sellers who produce similar pieces to yours in terms of size and medium so that you can get a better idea of what does sell and what doesn't. Be super sure to you understand at least the basics of the platform, like how to post your products, where to read reviews, and how to respond to customers. Another thing you will want to make a note of when checking out the competition is what makes your art stand out from theirs. Branding is a huge part of running a successful Etsy shop, no matter what you sell. Think about this way. Branding is what people say about you when you're not in the room. You will then have to choose a brand name that's memorable, catchy, and that will make selling products on Etsy easier. Use your brand's name and the values you would like it to reflect to create a logo, along with the elements like a store banner, shop icon, and an owner photo that can help pull in trusting and loyal customers. This process is made easier with the help of Placeit logo templates and Placeit's Etsy banner maker, which will always give you the correct Etsy banner size and cover photo size because it provides you with a workspace that adheres to Etsy pressed dimensions. Meaning, you won't have to resize, shift, or crop anything to get your images properly in place. You'll also be provided with a number of fonts and design elements that you can play around with until you get your final design just right. You won't have to worry about the things moving around and misaligning. Focus on the design itself and feel free to experiment with backgrounds, fonts, colors, and everything else until you get a creative design that reflects your shop's unique personality. Another thing that a lot of sellers like to include in their packaging are inserts like thank you cards, stickers, or even pins. Think it of as a way of personalizing the package even further and making your customers feel special. Thank you cards can have your social media accounts on them, contact information like a business phone number or email, discount codes for future purchases, or even a handwritten note on the back. To sell products on Etsy, you will need to have great images of what you're selling. We understand that not everyone has a budget for a nice camera or a lighting equipment, and not everyone has the time to take photos and edit them. This is where Placeit can help. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a camera, lighting equipment, or even photography skills to get great photos of your products. Using mockups like the ones Placeit offers will ensure your product looks great in every photo. Placeit's mockups are taken by professional photographers, so you can be totally sure that you're getting the highest quality images for your Etsy shop. It's worth mentioning that professional images will also help you stand out from the competition. A good strategy that not many people know about is spacing your listings. The reason this is important is because Etsy features new listings at the top of their respective category for a short time. By spacing out your listings, you can be featured multiple times at different times, helping you reach a wider audience. Don't ignore the tags and keywords. While these may not seem that important, they are really important. In fact, these are what helps Etsy shoppers find your products. Without tags or keywords, your products would be hidden without a way to reach potential customers. For sellers with online shops, social media is a perfect tool to reach a wider audience and make a real connection with customers. You can join groups related to products on different social media platforms in order to spread the word about your product. You can also share images, engage with customers, get real reviews on your products, and grow your audience. Keep in mind that having social media accounts for your brand can help people trust you more and feel more comfortable when purchasing from your Etsy shop. Feedback and reviews from your sales will allow you to better understand what's going well and what needs a bit of improvement. Knowing where your sales are coming from will definitely give you a better idea of where to invest in order to continue growing your shop. Now that you have a better idea of how to successfully sell art, shirts, handmade bags, digital files, or whatever your creativity tells you on Etsy, what are you waiting for? If you don't have any design skills or software, that's totally fine. Blazit's Etsy Banner Maker and Cover Photo Creator, along with the logo templates, are all you need to give your shop a bit more of personality. You have no excuse to not open that shop that you've been always tempted to start. Actually, I'm going to start mine right away. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later!